Can anyone hear me at all? Okay, very good. Oh, very good, very good, very good. This is nice. So this class has officially started. We're going to continue from where we stopped yesterday. So let me show you. I have already started my example. You guys know how to do that. I've started my example. I've started my SQL. All right. And in fact, yesterday, I had a little bit of issue with my SQL and XAMPP. So and Apache, I had to do a quick fix on it. So we are good to go. And if you're still having issue with MySQL, if you're still having issues with XAMPP, we are going to help you. Just let us know. So this was where we stopped yesterday, where we were trying to install Oceanwp, but it was giving us issues, so we had to stop. And but I already have it installed. Oceanwp is here. So this was where we stopped yesterday, so we are going to continue from here. Are you guys following me? Can you guys hear me? Oh shit. Oh my god. I don't know that my microphone was muted. I've been speaking since morning. Oh my god. Oh my good god. And no one can tell me they cannot hear me. You guys are wicked, dude. Can you guys hear me now? Are you guys sleeping? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, very good. I have no idea my microphone was muted. All right, so let's kickstart. This was where we stopped yesterday. We're trying to install Oceanwp, but we couldn't install it. But now it is installed. Thank God, it is installed. I already have it installed, and it's already running. And I hope you guys have gotten here too. If you're having any issues, a lot of people are having a lot of issues. If you're having any issues, let me tell you the quickest way to do. Just go to YouTube. When you get to YouTube, just copy that error message. Whatever error you are seeing, just copy that error message and search for the solution. There are a lot of people that they have they have encountered that same issue and they have provided the solution. Let me give you an example. Let's say your XAMPP is not starting, or probably your let's say Apache not starting. You're going to see a lot of Apache not starting in XAMPP. Do you understand? You see a lot of people. A lot of people have they have gone through the same problem, and they've made a video on how to fix it. Just search for it and you will see the solution. And if that is still giving you issue, just send me a DM and I will point you to the right direction. All right, so let's continue. This was where we stopped yesterday. So I've successfully installed Oceanwp, and you can see from here it is asking us to install some other things, but don't worry, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do.
So we can see your screen.
Oh, okay, thank you. I'm going to share my screen right now. All right, can you see my screen now? Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, we can.
All right, very good.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, this was where we stopped yesterday. And we were trying to install Oceanwp, but because of some issues we couldn't install it. But now it is running fine. Now. It is asking us to install some. You see this notice: install recommended, whatever. If you've gotten here, you're going to have the same notice. Just don't worry about that. I'm going to tell you what to do. Just follow my step-by-step process. So what we need to do is to go to plugins. Just click on plugins. All right, all the necessary settings that we're supposed to do, we've done it. You will see these two useless plugins here. Though actually they are not useless, but for now I want us to just get rid of them. Just mark both of them and bulk action here. Click on delete and apply. And let's just delete both of them. Okay, very good. So we can start with a blank slate here. So it is telling us to install Ocean Extra. Ocean Extra is a plugin that works with Oceanwp as a theme. It works with Oceanwp as a theme, and it allows it to function well. So we are going to install Ocean Extra now. You are on that plugin. Click on Add New. Once you've clicked on Add New, you can just go ahead and search for Ocean. Immediately you type Ocean, it will bring a lot of Ocean plugin for you, but Ocean Extra will be the very first one. Ocean Extra. See, Ocean Extra right here. Just go ahead and install Ocean Extra. Also, there are some things that I also want you to install from here that will be useful for us. Also, Ocean Social Sharing, so that you can add social sharing functionality to your website. Let's say share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on whatever. So you can also do that. You can also install this one too. As I've told you yesterday, plugins are good for our life. Let me see if I'm recording. Yes, I am. Plugins are good for our life. They add extra functionality to our website. Do you understand? So these are plugins. I'm already installing this. Let me click on this one to install it as well. And Ocean product sharing, we're not doing that. We're not doing modal window, sticky anything. Let's leave it for now. All right. Let's just wait for it to finish installing. It is still installing, guys. Let's wait for it to finish installation. I don't know why it is taking a while. Maybe that's network issues, but then anyways, it is still installing. Let's leave it alone for now. So as this is happening, let me open this in a new tab. Let's check how our website looks like now. You know how we can do that. Just come over here, over here. Let's open in a new tab and see how our website looks like now. You see, this is how it looks. It looks pretty blank right now. It looks very, very blank, but then when we are done with this baby, it will be as crazy as anything. Do you understand? It will be as crazy as anything. Just look at it. It is pretty blank right now, but I just want to show you how it looks like right now. This is the basic building frame of Oceanwp, right? So what I need us to do, this one is still loading. Let's go to pages. Actually, let's do it in a new tab while this one is still there. All right, I hope you guys are following me. Are you following me, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. What I need you to do is to go to pages, and go to all pages. When you get to all pages, these are the sample pages that came with it. Do you understand? We don't have any, you know, these are nonsense. So what you need to do is just to add your own new page. Add your own new page, and we are going to add a very important page right now, and the page is called, let's just call it home page. Do you understand? Let's add home page. Let's add a new page and let's call it home page. It will give you a tour of whatever. Since we don't care about tours, just leave it alone. Just add home page. Home. I'm just going to name it home alone. All right. The title of the page.
I'm lost though.
Okay, where are you lost?
From where I'm supposed to create a new page.
Okay. Okay. Let me go back. What you need to do is to go to click on pages. All right. Once you click on pages, you are going to land here, and then come here, add new. Click on add new.
So I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you.
We cannot hear you.
Oh. All right. Don't mind me. I've muted my microphone again. Why am I forgetting to unmute this thing? All right. All right. Please just keep reminding me if you can't hear me anymore. I don't know why I'm forgetting to unmute it. All right. So what I was saying is that you go back, you click on pages. Once you click on pages, in this your left panel, click on pages. You are going to get here. You are only going to see privacy policy and sample page or something. What you need to do is to click on add new. Add new. You see add new here? Just click on add new. Immediately you click on add new, you are going to get to Immediately you click on add new, just click on add new. You are going to get to a page like this. The title, there will be no title there. So what you need to do is to add title. Add title, name it home. You can name it anything you like, but I mean, it just makes sense since it's going to be your home page. Name it home. Immediately after you name it home, just go ahead and publish. Your own will be published. I've already published this one.
Sorry, I'm still lost.
Jesus Christ. Okay, tell me where exactly are you?
Okay, I can't even find the app, the software, so I can follow up from where you are.
You can't find the software?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Have you started your XAMPP? Is your XAMPP running?
Yes, my XAMPP is running.
And it is running correctly, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So what is the name of your website? What is the name of that folder that you named?
Rich.
Sorry?
Rich.
Spell it.
RICH.
RICH. So
yeah.
do localhost on your browser /RICH
okay.
/WP-admin. Don't mind me. I think I should, do you see what I type right now?
Look.
Localhost /rich /WP-admin. My bad. I should have told you guys about that before we started. Don't worry, guys. I'm recording the class.
Okay,
have you gotten
localhost /
Yeah, exactly. Localhost /rich. That's the name of your folder.
Yeah.
/WP-admin.
Yeah.
WP hyphen. Do you understand the minus sign? Admin. Just click enter.
Yeah.
Have you done that?
Yes.
Are you there now?
Yes.
Are you on your dashboard now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, now click on pages. Have you clicked on pages?
Yes.
Now click on add new. Once pages are uploaded, just click on add new. Update failed. Why update failed?
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Have you clicked on add new? Then you should be on this page. Then you should be on this page now.
Right.
Now name it home.
Thank you. Yes.
Now name it home. After you've named it home, just go ahead and update.
Name it home.
Name it whatever you like, but I mean it's your home page, so always name your home page home. I mean it just makes sense.
Okay.
Very good. Then after you've done that, you've clicked on update, you've updated your page. You've updated your page. Just click on preview and let's see how that looks like. Just preview in a new tab. Yeah, publish it. After you publish it, preview in a new tab. And after you preview in a new tab, you should have this. This is your site title. This is your site title. We have a lot of things to do today. Please, whose microphone is that? Please, mute your microphone. Let me mute you here. Alright, very good. Okay, so this next step is very important. Don't miss this. You see this customize button here. You will see Big Sam Fashion, which is the name of your website, and you will see another button here, another link here that says customize. Just click on it. Click on customize. Click on customize. All right. So I will be a little bit fast here, but I mean you will still be able to keep up. I promise. You'll still be able to keep up. It is pretty self-explanatory actually, but just you'll still be able to keep up. Alright, just click on customize. I hope you guys are at customize now. Are you already in customize? Just click on customize. Customize might take a while to load, but it will load eventually. Alright,
I didn't get out to preview the page.
Udong. Okay, let me show you again. Let me show you. This is, let's say this is the page. This is where you are right now. Are you here?
Yes.
Beside the update button.
No, I'm not.
Where are you? Where are you?
I am on my dashboard.
On your dashboard.
Yeah.
On your dashboard here, just click on visit site. You know, this home button. Just click on it to visit your site.
Okay.
All right, just click on it to visit your site. Then after you are on your site, then click on the customize button. Do you understand? It is pretty straightforward from there. You can just follow me from there. All right. Okay, very good. Now from here, there's a lot of things we can do here. All right, this is where you make a lot of customizations, and that's the reason. This is the reason why I always recommend Oceanwp for a lot of people. Now, the first thing we are going to look at, let me just go back. The first thing we are going to look at is site identity. Click on site identity. This is, Big Sam Fashion. This is your site title and your site tagline. You can change your site tagline to creativity is the best, or anything you want to put. And also you can change your site icon. Do you know what site icons are? Look at Facebook here. See this icon that appears beside Facebook? Yeah, that's site icon. You can upload any picture, if you have any PNG picture that you can use as your site title, as your site icon. Let me see if I can get any icon that I can use. All right, let's say I want to use this particular forever living icon. Just click on it, forever bird. Click on it and click and open. Immediately after you open, you can select that image, and then it will ask you to crop. If you want to crop, you can crop. If you want to skip cropping, you can skip cropping. Let's say I want to crop a little bit. Just crop, just drag it and all that stuff. Just crop it and copy it a little bit. So just click on crop. And there's been an error cropping your image. Then skip cropping. Then I don't care. Do you understand? You can see that the site title, the site icon has changed to this bird. Do you understand? Now you now have something like this. It has changed to this bird. So just click on publish. All right. So the reason why we are getting so much error is that I think about yesterday. It was just yesterday or 2 days ago that they updated WordPress to version 5.6. Do you understand? So there is still a lot of bugs. There's still a lot of bugs there. In fact, you will notice that some of you will notice that yesterday when I dropped my the coupon code, when you guys are trying to enroll for the course, when you are trying to place order, it was not placing. It was just loading and loading and loading and loading. Do you understand? That was because when WordPress 5.6 came out, I immediately upgraded my site, Nova University. So when I now got back today and I saw that it is that update, WordPress 5.6, that is having a lot of issues. So I had to go back to WordPress 5.5.3. Do you understand? So I will wait for about 2 weeks when they've done fixing all the bugs, fixing all the issues with WordPress 5.6. Maybe they'll probably release 5.6.1. Then that one would have fixed all the bugs. Do you understand? So that's why we are having all these stupid issues that you are seeing around. Can't crop, can't do all this stuff. But it gets better. It gets better. So from here, always publish your changes. Get out of here. Let's go to colors. Come into colors. What exactly do we want to do in color? There's really nothing to do in color. This is where you can make a lot of changes for your website. But then here is where things get interesting. Come to menus. Alright, so we don't have any menu yet, but let's create one. Just create, click on create menu, and then let's name it anything you want. Big Sam menu, forever menu, this one menu. But me, I always like to name it main menu, since that is the main menu. I want to make it my main menu. And then always come here and click on main, so that you will tell it that, okay, I want this one to be my main menu, and click on next. Alright, click on next, and from here is where we are going to add items to our menu. Just click on add items. I need your help here, guys. You can unmute your microphone and talk to me. When you are building a website, what are the links that you want to have in your menu? I know that most of all you are going to have home, right? You are going to have services. I think you're going to have services. Please tell me, which other ones should we have? Guys, which other ones can we have? We have services. I know we have services. We have contact us, right? We have contact us. Are you guys following me?
And probably maybe testimony.
Testimonies, yes. But testimonies will probably be under we probably be under like maybe services or about us. Yeah, about us, yes, another one. About us is there too. Is that true? About us. You see I'm adding it. And also let's say FAQs. Let's say FAQs or products. And so on and so forth. Alright. Do you guys get that? Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Okay, very good. So from here, you can see that I've already listed them. Now, if you want to rearrange them, let me show you something. Let me show you something amazing. Can you see? See this now. We already have them listed here. Do you understand? We already have them listed here. We're already creating our top menu. Can you see this? We're already creating our top menu. But let's say I want to move them around. I want to rearrange them. I want to bring about us forward. I'll just bring it about us and put it here. Do you understand? It will switch position and about us will come after home. And you can just drag around and do stuff. Let's say let's say you want to put products under services. Do you understand? So that products, you want products to be a submenu under services. Just carry products and you indent it to the front a little bit like this. You know, just click on it and hold and indent it. Left click on it and indent it a little bit. You will see products will now be under services. When you click on services, you will see a sub menu of products here. Do you understand? But I don't want to do that. I'm just going to leave it like this. Since I'm happy with this, I'm going to publish. I'm going to publish my changes. Please mute your microphone. And I'm going to get off here. Mute your microphone, please. Who's that? Please mute your microphone. Okay, very good. Let's continue. So I already have my main menu here. So let's get out of here and widgets. We're not doing anything in widgets right now. Home page settings, let's leave it for now. Additional CSS. Okay, home page settings. Let's just come here and do it. So instead of having it as your latest post, click on a static page. And home page, where do you want your home page to be? I want my home page to be home. This home, you know, we created one page the other time. We call this home. Just select home and click and publish. And get out. So I want you guys to see something. I have a top bar here. There's a top bar here, and there is this title bar here too. I don't like it. I want to remove it. This top bar is useful. In some cases it is useful. You can see in my website Nova University, I have it there. I have it on Nova University. Let me show you. Alright, let me show you. It's on Nova University, but most of the time I don't really like to put it. I used to remove it, but in this case there are sometimes that it will be useful, but in this case I don't like it, so most of the time I used to remove it. You can see this is the top bar here. This top bar, this is where you can put your phone number and some other things you want to display. But in this case, most of the time I don't like it. That's just the thing. I will be truthful with you. So I always like to remove it. I will show you how to remove it. Of course, be my guest. You can leave it there if you like. But definitely, this title bar, I used to remove it all the time, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I think we are at okay, general options. Just enter general options and go to general styling. General styling, you can change your primary color, you can change your primary over color, you know, background, site background. If for any reason you want to change your website's background, if you want to change it to any color, you understand, you can select any color. I don't know why you would want to do that, but white is always good most of the time. Just leave it as white. I'll just click on default, it will go back to white. Do you understand? And if you want to select an image for your background, you can always put the background image. But I don't always you know, I don't always like that. So you can change your primary color, your your website's primary color to something else. Let's say you want to change it to red. You can see that this particular color here is now red, is now reddish in nature. And primary over, you can change it to something else too. You can change it to a brick red or blue or whatever you like. So you can publish, get out of here. General settings as well. You can make it boxed layout or wide layout. Always put it at wide layout. I like wide layouts better. And you can just spend a lot of time here and check out those settings and how they affect your website. Do you understand? Get creative, guys. Now this is page title. This particular title that I'm looking at here, this particular title here, this one, this giant home, I don't like it. That is page title. This is where we can disable it. So show on all devices. If you wanted to show on tablet alone, or you wanted to show on mobile alone, and you wanted to show on whatever alone, so here is where you can do it. But I don't want it to show on any at all. So come to default, come here, come to style and select hidden. So once you select hidden, okay, once you please don't mind that noise, I just put on my generator. All right, so just click on hidden, and then after you click on hidden, you can see that the thing is gone. And also, okay, I think after that we are done. Let's just get out of here. So from here you can also check out okay, scroll to the top. There's something they call scroll to the top. All right, this, all this little icon that would be at the bottom part of your website, such that when you click on it, it can take you back to the top. Let me show you. I think it's Nova University. You can see this particular button right here. When I click on it, it will take me back to the top. Yeah, that is what we are talking about here. You can also add the style you want. If you want this style or you want this style, you can change where it's going to be. Do you want it to be at the left side or the right side? Always put it at the right side. Right side is better. And if you want to change the button size, the button pixel, the icon size, if you want to change the color, you can change the color the way you like. You can put any color you like. You understand? Yellow color, whatever color you like, you can put any color you like. And also, yeah, I mean, just come here and get creative, and just get creative here, guys. Also, it's a new person join. Okay, very good. I hope you guys can still hear me. Someone said they cannot hear me. Rere Oluwa, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, you can.
I can hear.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so pagination, theme button, and other stuff. I will recommend that just come to all these kind of stuffs or all these things, click on them, play with the settings, and see what they do. So because of time, I can't go through what everything does for you. Do you understand? I can't really keep going, but I'll just touch the most important ones. Also, typography. Typography is very important. This is where you can change fonts and all. I want to change the font of this. This our header. So what I will do is I'll go to main menu. This is main menu. I'll go to main menu and I can change the font style. Okay, font family. Let me change it to Montserrat. There is one font family like that I like. Let me look for it. Okay, Montserrat. This is it. Just click on Montserrat. It will change the font to Montserrat. You can see that the font style has changed. And also, if I want to change it to, if I want to capitalize it, I can change it to capitalize. Everything will be capitalized. Or I can change it to all uppercase. It will change to all uppercase. If I want to change the size, I can select 15 pixel and it will get bigger. If I want to do the letter spacing, if I want them to spread out, I can do that as well. I can make them spread out as well, but then I think this is okay. Alright, just click on publish from here and also get out of here. And you can also do some other things. You understand? You can also do some other things. You can do your general body typography, all this kind of stuff. You can do that here. You can mess with your top bar typography and so on and so forth. Alright, So also top bar, this is the top bar that I'm telling you. This top bar, most of the time I remove it. I don't like it. You can change it. You can put whatever content you like here. Okay? This is the top bar, and you can put anything you want. Do you understand? You can put anything you want. You can even replace it with a template if you want. So, but most of the time I don't like it. I don't like to put it there. I'll just enable top bar. I can just click on this and to disable the top bar, and then it is gone. So you can get out of here as well. You can get out of here as well. All right, so here we are right now. So let's go to header. Just click on header. So once you get to header, this is your header right here. This is your header right here. I'll click on general. What kind of header do you want? Minimalistic or transparent header? You know transparent headers now. I have a transparent header on Nova University. Let me show you guys. You can see how you can see behind. This is my header, but then you can see that it is transparent. It is transparent. You can see the image behind it. So that is transparent header for you. So you can click on transparent header, and then you are going to have that kind of header. Do you understand? You can see that it's kind of transparent here right now. So, or you can click on minimalistic or top menu. Top menu looks terrible. I don't like it. This is how it's going to look like. For some reason, if you like this, no problem, but I don't like it. Full screen, if you want to make it full screen, such that when you click on it like this, it's going to take over your screen like this. This might be useful in some cases, but I don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm just showing you. What I need you to do is to come here and see how most of them look like, but I'm just going to stick as minimal right now. And if you want to change your header pixel, your header size, you can go ahead and change it here, how wide and how not wide it is. Do you understand? So, but for now, let's leave it around here. Very good. And if you want to change the background color of your header, let's say you want to make it blue, or you want to make it, or for some reason, I think I like this color. Just put it like this for some reason, whatever reason you would need to put your header like this, I don't know. But I'm just showing you the things that are possible. So it's meant for you to get creative and and do stuff. All right. So let's go and border background and all those kind of stuff. I just need you to get creative and explore options. I'm showing you the options that are available for you. All right, then after you are done, always publish your changes. I'm going to change this back to white. I'm going to just click on default to go back to white, and I'm removing this header button. I'm removing it, change it back to default, and just publish. I'm just showing you the things that are possible. Also logo, instead of having Big Sam Fashion here, you want to select a logo. If you want to use this as your logo, no problem. Or if you have any logo, you can skip cropping. If you skip cropping, it's going to, you're going to have it like this, and it is very big now. It is way bigger than your header, so which means we need to adjust the height. Just go ahead and adjust the height of your. Just adjust it. I think this looks good now. Alright, this looks good now. But this is one thing I love so much about WordPress as a platform, is the fact that it enables you to build responsive websites. Responsive in the sense that however you want it to look on mobile phone and on tablets, you can view it here. See these buttons that are here, down here. If you click on tablets, you are going to see how it looks on tablets. This is tablet view, and if you click on here, you will see how it looks on mobile phone. Do you understand? And I think this is a little bit too big or too small on mobile phone. I can change it. I can change the size. I can change the size on mobile phone. And guess what? It's not going to affect the size on desktop. If I go back to desktop, it will still retain the same size I put on desktop. Do you understand? If I go on mobile, it will retain the same size I put on mobile. Do you understand? So it's that amazing. That is responsivity for you. Alright, so you can also play with max height and just play with max height and see what you come with. Always publish your changes. Let's get out of here. And also menu, just click on menu. Okay, so these are menu effects. So do you want to put your menu, do you want to make them center, do you want to make them left align, do you want to make them right align, and do you want to, what effects do you want to put? Do you want to put let's say you want to put underline from left effect, all right, which is kind of the effect that I'm using on Nova University. When you click on it, it will underline it from left. Let me show you. When you go to Nova University and you over it, you know, there is this line that will run and come and underline it. Do you understand? That's the effects that I'm using. Do you understand? You get it? So not exactly the same, but something similar. You get. You can always check out other effects. This circular review. You can always check out other effects and see. You can see this effect right now. All right. So and then you can change link effect color to whatever color you like. You can change it to whatever color you like. It is now color blue now. Change it to whatever color you like. Do you understand? But that's terrible. I'm just going to go to default and link over. Do you understand? Now if you want to change the color, so instead of having it here, I want to change it to color, you know, this golden color, kind of change it to this golden color and make it a little bit darker. Very good, very good. Can you see that when I over it is still bringing this stupid color? So I will go to link over, and I'm going to click on this and I'm going to switch it to a darker shade of that. Yes, can you see? Very good. Always publish your changes. There's still a lot of stuff you can do here. Do you understand? Drop down listing and search icon. This search icon right here. Do you understand? How do you want it? Do you want it as drop down or replace header? If you select replace header, when you click on it, it's going to replace the entire header. So you can search whatever you want to search. And I think I like that one. If you want to disable it, you don't want it, or you want it as overlay, such that when you click on it, it's going to take over the whole screen. I don't like this, but most of the time, if you don't want it here, you can just disable it. So once you disable it, it's going to be gone. It's not going to be there. So you can publish your changes. All right, just come over here and play with all the settings and see the things that you can do. Social menu, enable social menu. If you enable social menu, it's going to bring, you know, your social menu here. It's going to bring social menu here. Facebook, you can put the link to your Facebook page here. Let's say the link to your Twitter page, put it there. The link to your Facebook page, put it, and the link to your Instagram, LinkedIn, put it. All right, and publish. Do you understand? Publish, but that will kind of be. I've not installed that plugin, but you are going to see it later. Actually, you will see it later. Okay, I think that plugin did not install. It has not installed. Anyways, we are going to do that later. I will show you later. I will show you that later. So let's get out of here. And mobile menu, click on mobile menu. Let me show you some things on mobile menu real quick. And if you want to select a mobile logo, if you want your mobile logo to be different from your desktop logo, you can upload another one for mobile logo here. Also, your mobile menu style, do you want it as drop down, or you want it as sidebar, or you want it as full screen? Let me show you. Let's switch to mobile mode. You know, this is desktop mode, this is mobile mode here. All right, so right now this is how it is. This is how your mobile menu is. Do you understand? Oh, you can see this is your social menu. Your social menus are here. Okay, I think it's loaded. The social menus are here. Do you understand? Just click on it here. Can you see? This is how it is. But if you want to change it to sidebar, let's say you want to change it to sidebar. Let's say you want to change it to sidebar, such that when they click on it, it will scroll as sidebar. Or if you want to change it to full screen, you get the point. I don't want to waste time. You can change to full screen. Let's get out of here. We still have a lot to do. And so drop down, display menu text. I don't like it. You know, this menu text that is here, remove it. It doesn't look professional. And also this hamburger icon, you can actually choose the one you like. Most of the time I used to choose arrow reverse. Arrow reverse looks cool. It looks very cool, so that when you click on it, you have this arrow. Oh no, not arrow, I think elastic. There's one elastic or something. Yeah, elastic, or elastic reverse. Yes, elastic reverse is very beautiful. You know, you will see you will have this kind of animation, this kind of elastic animation. It looks beautiful. And I want to remove this search bar here. I want to remove this search bar. So you can scroll down. You are going to see where you can mobile menu search. Uncheck it. So once you uncheck it, it will disembark. It will it should go away. All right. Always publish your changes. Hope you guys are still with me. Are you guys with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Ojile Sunday, why are you crying? What's going on? All right. Hope you guys are with me. Okay, that's good. Let's continue. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying? Are you understanding what I'm teaching?
Yes.
Okay, real cool. And this is real good. Yeah, I know I'm too fast. We have a lot to cover, but then thank God I am recording the class. You can always revert back and see. So yeah, don't worry. So from here, I'm just showing you the things that are possible. All right. The real learning comes here when you sit down by yourself and you are practicing. That is when the real learning starts. But then at least you have a video guide that you can say that, okay, this is where I can go, this is where I can go. Do you understand? So let's get out of here. Let's get out of here and let's go to, okay, very good. Blog, sidebar, footer widget, footer bottom, and all that kind of stuff. So let's leave the rest. For now, we have done all the most important. Please just go ahead and check out all these things and see the settings that are available to you. Do you understand? So I mean, play with it and be cool. So let's get out of here. Click on this times button. Let's get out of here, and now we have our header completely set up. Now I will show you the worst way to build a website. This is the worst way you can build a website. Never build a website this way. Let me show you the worst way you can build a website real quick. Come to pages. Do you see all the pages that we created when we are creating our menu? They are here with us now. So we are still messing with our home page. So just click on edit. You can see it is our front page now. The home page is our front page now. I will show you, if I remember, I think I will just show you later how you can do that. So so just like Microsoft Word, you can just go ahead and start adding blocks here. This is the website that I want to create, and so on and so forth. You can add another block. Do you understand? You can add another block. You can add a table. You can add a verse. You can add, you know, I think you can add image. You can add an image. Do you understand? And you can upload an image. Let me just look for an image. This beautiful girl here. You can upload an image. You understand? You can upload an image, and you can put a paragraph and write. Let me look for lipsum. Let me look for a dummy text. You can always find dummy text at lipsum.com. No, lipsum.com. That is where it generates dummy text. Generate lipsum. So you can copy. You can copy dummy text. I think someone is trying to join the class. You can copy dummy text. All right. Then after you copy dummy text, let's just put it here. Let me put it here. Do you understand? And then you can just update. You know, you understand, you get the gist, just like you are doing Microsoft Word and other kind of stuff. So let's preview it and let's see how it looks like. Yeah, and it's going to look like this. It's going to look very terrible. It's going to look like this. It's going to look very terrible. This is how your website looks like right now. But this is not. You can see that scroll to the top button that I was telling you about. This is it. That scroll to the top button. You can click on this and scroll back to the top. Do you understand? But this is not how we are going to build a website. We are going to install a very beautiful, strong plugin. We're going to install a very, very nice plugin that will allow you to, you know, build very amazing websites. That will allow you to build very, very good websites. Let's get out of here. Let's close this. Let's get rid of all this nonsense that is here. Let's delete this block, remove block, and also remove this block too. Remove block, also remove block, and remove block. Hey, let me remove all the blocks. Please give me a while. Let me remove all the blocks. And finally, yeah, it's done. So update. Make sure you update. So after you are done updating, come back out, come and click on this W button here, come back out and go to plugins. I don't know why plugins are not installing. Come to add new, and I hope this thing does not give me too much issue, and search for a plugin called Elementor. Elementor is a page builder. Elementor, please don't forget Elementor. Just search for Elementor. So it's going to be the first one here. Just click on install. Let's just hope this thing does not give me too much issue and it installs on time. Let's hope it installs on time and it's not giving me issue. This WordPress update is really messing a lot of things up. So I would advise you, even if you have WordPress 5.53, if you have it right now, you should just try as much as possible to keep on using that before you update to what 5.6. It's really messed up. It's really messed up. It's actually kind of it broke my site yesterday. I had to do a lot of refactoring, and thank God that I have it backed up. So I have to restore a backed up version. That was what saved it. So that is why let me give you you know, a very important information right now that will save you in the future. If you start building WordPress websites, always back up your site. You understand? Bad things happen. It is backup that will save your life. Thank you. So while this is still installing, I don't know why it is taking a lot of time. And this is already 8 o'clock. We have approximately 30 minutes to go, which is kind of like more than enough to do what we want to do if we don't encounter any issue with this. All right, while this is still installing, let me come over here and have a quick chit chat with you guys. So, oh yeah, please, how will you be able to back up? Okay, very good. Now you can only perform backup when there are plugins that you can use to perform automatic backups. Do you understand? But there's another way you can do backup, a very easy way actually. But that is when you have a domain, when you have purchased a domain. After you have purchased a domain, then you can do backups on your domain. Do you understand? But if you don't have a domain and you are running on localhost, there's no need to do backup. Do you understand? So, but then when you are running on your own personal domain, always perform backup. So after you finish buying your domain, then you can just send me a DM, then I can show you how you can perform your backups. Do you understand? I'm always available. Just slide into my DM. I'm always available to help you. Do you understand? And oh, on this call, please just come to the chat line and type it. How many of you have secured a slot out of that, you know, 10 people? How many of you have secured your slot? Just, you don't need to unmute your microphone, just come over here and type. How many of you have secured a slot, please? Okay, two persons. Oh, okay. Okay. 3 persons. Okay, okay. The point is that I am always available. Anytime you are facing any issue, just send me a message. Don't mind me if it takes a while for me to reply, but I always reply. Do you understand? If you send me a message today and it is taking like, let's say, 5 6 hours or even a day, just give me a day. If I've not replied in a day, just send me a follow-up a follow-up message on WhatsApp, and I'm immediately going to respond to you. You understand? I'm going to respond to you. All right? But just please go straight to the point very fast. Don't give me pleasantry. Hello, sir. How are you doing, sir? Have you eaten, sir? It's none of your business. Do you understand? Just go straight to your point. Okay, sir, I'm having this issue, and how can you help me do it? All right, I want to do this. I want to do that. How can you help me do this so stuff? Do you understand? Okay, you already have Elementor installed. Let me see if my own Elementor has already installed. Let me check it out. So please just come to me. Sir, I was once blind, but now I can see. Yes, my Elementor is installed as well. So let's activate. Click on activate. Click on activate. Activate Elementor. Alright, so we've already activated Elementor. Very, very, very good. Fine. Elementor has already activated. Oh, let's do one more thing. Let's see if it will work now. Go back to plugin. We were supposed to install Ocean Extra the other time, but it was behaving in the rubbish. Let's see if it will stop behaving the rubbish right now. Another pro tip here. When you see that they just maybe WordPress just released an update, don't rush to do the update. Just calm down first. Calm down for like at least 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, even a week or 2. Then after you see that things are already getting normal, then you can now start upgrading to the new version. Do you understand? So that your site might break down. Maybe that maybe the new version might still be experiencing a lot of bugs. I checked Stack Overflow. When I was going through some issues, I went to Stack Overflow and I saw that WordPress people have lodged more than 360 something complaints about the newly released WordPress, and they just released it about a day or 2 ago, and people already saw more than 360 something errors. Do you understand? So that was why I had to take my website back to the original version. So maybe they will release a 5.6.1. That 5.6.1 will fix all the issues, and then we can now start enjoying. All right, while this one is still doing the rubbish, while it is still installing, you will see that when you go back to your pages, just go back to pages wherever you are on your dashboard. Just click on pages. All right, once you click on pages, you are going to get here where all your pages are. Click on home. This is home page that we are editing. Just click on edit. All right, installation failed. Why installation failed in Jesus' name? Why? And this plugin is actually very important. But then I'm going to try again one more time if it will work, and if it is not working, duh. But then, so that this one will not waste my time, let me continue with this. So you'll see that we have a new button now. Guys, look at this very well. We have a new button that was not there before, which is Edit with Elementor. Do you understand? We have a new button called Edit with Elementor. You want to click on that. You want to click on Edit with Elementor. So immediately after you click on Edit with Elementor, you should have this thing loading like this. Let me try this again. You should have it loading like this. Very good. Oh, there's something we were supposed to do before we edit with Elementor that I did not do. We need to remove this sidebar. We need to remove this sidebar, but I forgot. So let's get out of here. let's get out of here, exit to dashboard, you know, click on the three dots here and exit to dashboard. Exit to dashboard. Then after you exit to dashboard, let me quickly fix that. Please don't forget, what you need to do is to click on this settings button. If you have it like this, just click on this settings button so that it will bring your setting plane, and you scroll down, or you come to page attributes. Page attributes, guys, click on page attributes, and you have default template here. Change it to Elementor full width. Elementor full width. Change it to Elementor full width. Do you understand? Change it from the normal, the default templates to Elementor full width, and click on update. And then after you've done that, you will see the changes now, and just edit with Elementor back. Click on edit with Elementor, and then it should load up. It should load up, and you should be here. All right, you should get here. Do you understand? You should get here. Hope you guys are still with me. Are you guys still with me? Oh, okay. Ocean Extra is installed. My own Ocean Extra is not installing. No, I don't know why my Ocean Extra is not installing. No. Okay, Olubayosam, but don't worry. You are going to have to. Oh, you said you are not following. Can you hear me? Hope you can just hear me. My own Ocean Extra is not installing. I don't know why. I don't know who I've offended.
Yes, we can hear.
Okay, very good. Now you can see that sidebar is gone now. That sidebar is gone. So we have a lot of elements here that we can play with, that we can use to build websites. Let me show you how. Drag and drop. You can just come here, plus button, just click on plus and take a section. If you want to take a single section, this is a single section, or a 2-half section, 3-half section, 4-half section, you know, you get the point. So I'm taking a single half section here. Do you understand? Let me take a 2-half section too, so that you can see the difference. Now I can come back to this 9 dots here to go back to the, you know, to the elements menu. You can insert a title. Just drag a title and put it here. Do you understand? Or you can also drag an image. If you want to put an image, drag an image. Do you understand? You can see how this 2-section thing is different. All right, you want to drag a video, you can drag a video here. Do you understand? And you know, this is a YouTube link. You can always put whatever. You can go to YouTube and you can take your source. If you want to self-hosted, that is if you want to upload your own video, Dailymotion, Vimeo, or YouTube, just go to YouTube and go and copy the link of that video and type it and put it here, and it will be playing. So you can also take an icon box. Let's put it here. Let's put it here in the, you know, single section. Let me remove this one first. Do you understand? You can put let's scroll down. You can put let's say a counter. You can put a counter. Have you guys seen counters like this in websites before? That's how it is done. You can put a button. You can put a button. Click here. You can link your button to wherever you want it to go. Facebook.com. Or if you want it to link to your product page, just type product here. It will automatically suggest products for you. Just click on it. It will replace it with the link of the product page, and you are good to go. All right. So also, if you want to change, let's say this section, you can click on this section and change the style of this section. You can come to style, and you know, you can change it to an image background. You can change it to a gradient background. You can change it to a slideshow. A gradient background, you can set a color for it, for the background. Do you understand? You can set a color for the background, or instead you can set an image for the background. You know, like this beautiful girl. Let's put this beautiful girl. Okay, so the position right now is you know, default. Just come to position, put the position at center. Do you understand? And this thing is not even wide enough. Let's come here and let's come to height here. Click on height and click it on mean height, and then you can do this to increase the mean height. This is not even where I'm going. I just want to show you. I'm just showing you things that are possible. I'm trying to design an arrow section here. I want to show you how you can set a background image. All right, so from here you can put it on no repeats, and you can put size to cover. Do you understand? So immediately I put size to cover, you can see that it is looking way better now. All right, I can now, instead of having it like this, it is too bright, I can add a little bit of overlay, background overlay. All right, let me set background overlay classic. Let me set it as a little bit of black, a background overlay of black, and opacity. Let me increase the opacity a little bit. So that all the things that I'm putting here can show very well. Do you understand? This button, I want to move this button front a little bit. I can click on the button, come to style. Do you understand? I can click on the button, you can center align the button, put it left, put it, but that's not what I want to do. I want to move it forward a little bit. So you come to advanced, and then margin and padding. You can use padding. That's a left. This is the left side. You want to put a little bit of padding at the left side. You can put a left padding of, let's say, 30. It will indent it forward. That's not enough. Let's say I put 50. It will shift it forward like this. Do you understand? I want to shift this text too. Let me give it the same thing of 50. On link here, put 50 as well. Do you understand? But this is useless here. Let me remove this. You can remove this. It is useless. You get the point. I'm not here trying to design stuff for you right now. I just want to show you things that are possible. All right, but now let me show you something even much more interesting. You finish designing your hero section like this. Let's say you are done designing this hero section. You can do some other section, but instead of disturbing yourself like this, let me show you something that will completely blow you away. All right, I've deleted that. You see that I just clicked on the cross button. I deleted everything. Always update your changes. After you are done doing everything, update your changes. All right, what I need you to do is to click on this folder button here. Click on this folder button. Then after you finish clicking on this folder button, you will see a lot of pre-made templates that are already made for you, that you can just, at one click, you can import it, and then you have a whole completely built website in front of you. Check this out. A lot of Elementor templates that you can just use. At one single click, you are good to go. At one single click, you are good to go. See them. Check them out here. At one single click, you are good to go. You can see, if you have your Elementor in front of you right there, just go ahead and keep scrolling. Some of them are pro, which means you have to pay for this version of Elementor before you can use it. But it doesn't matter. There are some of them that are free. The ones that does not have pro on it, they are free. Like this one is free. This one is free. This one is free. Do you understand? There are some of them that are free, and this one is free as well. Even if you come here, we have blogs too that you can use. Do you understand? We have blogs too that you can use. We have a lot of blogs here too that you can use for your website. Do you understand? That you can use for your website. All right. So, and also you can also import your own templates. You can import your own template. You can come to import template here and click on this import button. Let's say I have designed a website like that. I can just export it and send you the file. When I send you the file and you import it here, you are going to have, that's my file here. You are going to have it in front of you. If I have time, I will demo that for you. But let's do this first. So click on this, and instead of coming to this template, go back to library. Go back to library. What's going on? Go back to library. Why isn't it going back to library? Just give me a moment. I don't know why this is behaving like this. It should go back to library, but it's not going back to library. Perhaps it's another bug. I don't know. Anyways, let me just refresh this page. I'll refresh this page. That should fix it. Let me refresh this page. That should fix it. Hope you guys are still following me. Are you guys still following me, or are you asleep? Yes, Abali Ejike. It is recorded. The class is recorded. Okay, very good. Samuel Emmanuel is enjoying. We can see you are lying on your bed. You are chilling. Keep enjoying. Keep enjoying. So okay, let's continue. Very good. So from here, click on the folder button, and then let's go back to pages. But before you can be allowed to use any of these templates, you have to register with Elementor. All right, you have to register with Elementor. Let me select. I think I'm going to select. Let me just find a very beautiful template to select and show you. Let's say this one. Let me select this one. Let me click on insert on this one. You see, this is what you are going to have in front of you. If you import this, you are going to have this in front of you. In fact, if you do this for someone, they will be willing to pay you a lot of money for it. Do you understand? So just click insert. But once you click on insert, it will ask you to connect to templates library. All right, just click on get started. Once you click on get started, it will reroute you to where you're going to, import. You are going to register with Elementor. If you have not yet registered, of course you will have to create an account. Just click on create an account and create an account with them real quick, and then it is very easy. Just to register. No matter now, you know how to register for accounts now. So, but me, I already have an account with them. I'm just going to log in, and then after I'm successfully logged in, it's going to bring me here where I have to connect this my account to the website I'm building. Guys, you can also do that for yourself too. It will bring you to this place and just click on connect. Once you click on connect, that's all. Once you click on connect, that's all. It's going to bring you here, and we don't care about this place. Just go back to just go back to where you are coming from, and all you need to do is to I don't know, go back to library. If this is still behaving the rubbish, there's still a lot of bugs that are going on with this WordPress 5.6, but I hope they fix it very soon. Just reload this page. After you finish connecting, come back here and reload. Do you understand? It's very important. If you don't reload, you are not going to get give me a moment. You're not going to get the results that I'm getting right now. Just make sure you reload, and after you finish reloading, come over here and click on this folder button again. Do that again and insert your template again. You can just insert another one. I don't care. There are a lot of templates. Let me choose. I think I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to choose. In fact, there are a lot of beautiful ones to choose from. Where was the one? Where's the one I chose the other time? I can't find it again. Oh, I think this is it. Just click on it. Okay, just click on it. It is still loading. Give it a while. It will load. Normal thing. And after it's done, just click on insert. Click on insert. Just click on insert. And lo and behold, it should be it should be right in front of you. It is still installing a lot of things for you. Guys, I'm telling you, there are a lot of very, very good people that they have designed they've made pre-designed websites that are online. Just go online and search for pre-designed Elementor templates. You are going to see. In fact, I will even show you something that will completely blow your mind right now. Check this out. This is how your website will look right now, and it is totally customizable. You can go ahead and click on this text here. Just click on this pencil button and you can change it to whatever you like. This is my new business and I am excited. You can also edit this one and put whatever it is you like. You can edit it, put whatever it is you like. You can also click on this button and put your own link here. You can put your own link here, and you can also change the color. You can click on styles and you can change the typography, the font style, the button size. Do you understand? You can change it here. All right, you can change it here. Let me put it at 18. I think 18 or 16 is good. You can do all those kind of nonsense stuff here, and you can also do your background color. You can change it to blue. All right, border color, this is border color. You can change border color to black or whatever it is you like. Over, which means when you overhit, what should come out? You know, over background color is white right now. I want to change over background color to red. You understand? It looks terrible, but I'm just showing you, you know, the things that you can do. Of course, you have to get very creative, and you know, you can change, click on over color, and you can always set your text color whatever you want. You know, no, why this is not? You can set it to blue. You understand? And over border color. Wait, let me set it to blue. Let me set it to blue. Blue is good. And over border color, I'm going to set it to blue as well. Now when I overhit, I'm going to have this. Do you understand? I'm just showing you, I'm not really building a website here, I'm just showing you the settings that are available for you. And you can also change this image too. You can click on this pencil button and you can, you know, choose image. You can choose your own image. You can upload, you can choose your own image. Do you understand? This is actually terrible, but I mean, you can always upload your own new image, and you can, you know, deal with these ones too. You can choose your own icon. You know, you can upload a new icon, download icon, upload a new icon and put it there. You understand? You can put your own icon there. And I mean, you can always, I've shown you how you can edit this kind of stuffs, and you can see pretty solid stuffs. So always update your changes, and then after you finish updating your changes, after you finish updating your changes, let's preview and see how your website looks right now. Click on preview. After you click on preview, this is how your website looks right now. Do you understand? This is how your website looks like right now. I mean, if someone can pay you to make this kind of stuff for them, they're going to get 50k, 70k, 80k. Do you understand? I mean, it is not hard. See, completely professionally looking, beautiful website that does not even take you a lot of time. All right, let me also show you. Okay, this is where you can check for your responsiveness. You can check tablets. This is how it will look on tablets, and this is how it will look on mobile phone. Do you understand? Completely responsive. You can see how it looks on mobile phone. And also if let's say you want to completely move a section. Let's say this section, you don't want this section here, you want to move it downward. You know, this is a section, this blue border like this, you know, this blue border, it's a complete section. Let's say you want to move it away, you can move it. Let's say you want to move this section downward, you can move this section and just drag it downward like this. Just drag it downward and put it here, and it will be here. Do you understand? You can drag sections, but I think this section should be the one up. Just put this section back up, drag it back up. All right, drag it back up. Let me change this image. Let me put it at the previous one that was there. It looks terrible. The previous one that was there. Yeah, this is fine. Just update. Oh, great. Grady. And also, finally, there is something that I said I was going to show you. This is beautiful. We are done, actually. We are done. I think I've shown you a lot of things that I want to show you. But let me just show you one final. Let me show you one final thing that you can do. You can always come here and save this as a template. If you save this as a template, do you see what I did? Let's say you are finished building your work, you build on, you know, this is on localhost. We are on localhost. Do you understand? Before you buy your own domain, you now finish building your website. It is beautiful on localhost, but then you want to now transfer this from localhost to your original website. You can always come here, you know, beside your update button, this little arrow here, click on it and save as template. All right, once you click on save as template, you can just come over here and click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, what's going on? Oh, this stupid bug. Normally it should just save as template. I don't know, we are still having a lot of bug here. It should save as template, but I don't know why it's not saving. Anyways, you get the point. I think they will fix all these things. And when I'm clicking this, it's still bringing me back here. When I'm clicking this, it's bringing me back here. When I'm clicking this, it's bringing me back here. And when I'm clicking, let's say when I click, okay, it's finally up. When you click on option, you should save as template, and it will give you where you are going to name this thing. Normally it should give you, okay, the name of whatever you should type in the name of that template, whatever you want to name it. Maybe my website homepage. Then you save it. After you save it, then you can export it. Export means you can download it as a file on your computer, and you can go and import it to another website later. It's not working right now, but I hope they fix all this bug and we can actually have peace in our lives. All right, let me show you one more thing. Come here. Come here. You can click on this, and it's not working. I'm not going to show you. I'm sorry. I would like to show you, but it's not working. Let me see. Let me try and reload the page. Let me try and reload the page and see. Please, we are stopping this class by exactly 8:30. Please let me know when it is 8:30. So just go ahead, click on this and click on.
We have 3 minutes.
Okay, very good, thank you. Click on my templates. You don't have any templates right now. Just click on import, this arrow, this up arrow, import templates. Click on select file. Click on select file. So I can come to desktop, events, digital, I think web pages. Now this, when you finish exporting, a page, you understand, when you finish exporting a page, you are going to have it like this. I think this was when I was designing my Edens Digital, you know, my company Edens Digital. This was when I was designing it, and then I first designed it on localhost before I sent it to you know, to publish it live. And this is it. I mean, these are the files when I exported it. So if I click on this now, and I can send you this file. If I send you this file and you put it inside your home, you are going to get the same result with me. And you click on open. So if you click on open, it's going to load for a while. This is the last thing I will show you. Don't worry, I won't take your time. This is the last thing I will show you. All right, so what I'm saying is that there are beautiful people, very, very good people, that they have created pre-made templates like that online, that they have uploaded it online. Just go and do a random Google search of pre-made Elementor templates. You are going to see thousands of them. If you want to do in real estate and whatever, you know, you are going to see a lot of them. This thing is still loading. I don't know, it's taking a while to load. Normally it will take a while to load, because it will be downloading all the resources, it will be downloading all the images involved and all that kind of stuff. But later I can bet you it's going to work. But the point is that, let me show you, this is how our website looks like now. Do you understand? This is how our website looks like now. All right, so guys, for you guys that you understand Yoruba, money needed lot to soften you pay ibini open cinema. And for you guys that you don't understand Yoruba, all the best to you. But then what I'm saying is that this is the end of our class. Is someone saying something?
I have a question. Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, Akombi, go ahead.
Yeah, you know, there are some people, let me say organizations, like they are into various things. Maybe we have an organization that is into, let me say, maybe washing of clothes, that's dry cleaning, and they are also into maybe something like barbing. Like, how can you be able to join that two together? And they want you to develop a web something for them, like, she understand. Yeah. Is it possible for you to bring the two together into one web?
Yes, it is possible. It is possible. That is the place of, you can use subdomains to do that actually, or you can create several. You can create a general website for them, and you can do our services. Service number 1 is dry cleaning. Service number 2 is barbing. Service number 3 is this. Service number 4 is that. Do you understand? That is what the services section.
So like, okay, I get your point. So you are saying it's possible. So are you going to take us in your web design consultancy class?
Of course, everything is laid down there. Don't get ahead of yourself. Just calm down, take that course, and you're good.
All right. So I just wanted to Get it? No, wala.
Yeah, exactly. And actually, that course is
Alright.
just the beginning of your journey with me. Immediately after you are done with that course, the last lecture, there is a link there. Once you click on that link on the last lecture, you will join my
Okay.
mentorship group. Do you understand? But do not join that
Okay.
mentorship group when you are not done with the course. If you enter that mentorship
Okay.
group and I notice that you are not done with the course, I will kick you out. Do you understand?
Alright.
Exactly. So
Thank you.
yeah, this is the end of this class, and I thank you guys for for having me teach you. It's been an honor. God bless you. And also, I want you guys to do me a favor. How many of you are still here? How many of you are still here? Okay, very good. Please, I would really appreciate it if you guys can do a simple testimonial video for me. I hope it's not too much to ask. Please, you can do a testimonial video for me. Just do like a selfie video. It's going to be a selfie video. You know, you tell us your name and you tell us your occupation, what you do, and you tell us what this class, this free class, how this free class has you know, impacted your life and what you have gained, and you just thank Nova University and you thank Big Sam. The reason why this is important to me is that actually it was something like this that previous people did, that we were able to compile together, that could get me the sponsorship I got from Union Bank. So next year, what I want to do next year is that I want to reach out to more organizations so that they can sponsor this class, so that I can continue to give out discounts to people, number one. But I even want to do something very big, because most people they don't have laptops. So I want to train people. After you've gotten a discount to take my course, then actually I'm going to reach out to some organizations to distribute free laptops to people. Do you understand? Free laptops to 500 Nigerians. That's what I want to do. But then before you can get an organization to do that for you, they have to be sure that this person is not a fraud, and this person have actually been helping people. All right, so it is people like you that will help me help other people. Do you understand? And then also, if you are in that category too, please just try as much as possible to stay in touch with me. Save my number, send me a DM so that I can save your number too, so that you can be seeing my status. Once that deal is clicked, and then we start distributing new laptops so that you can fill the form too and, you know, get. But it will all start from what you are able to do for me. If you make the selfie video and you say, oh, this is what I've been able to gain from this free class, this guy has actually helped me, thank you Nova University, thank you Big Sam. And these are the things that we are going to compile together to a presentation that we will take to maybe Dangote Group or Nigerian Breweries, or maybe, you know, I don't want to go to a bank again. I want to go to maybe an oil company or something, so that we can get very good money, very good sponsorship. So that's what I'm thinking of, and that is a plan for next year. All right, and you guys can really help me do that. I hope I have helped you, and now it is time for you to help me. I hope I can count on you guys. Can I count on you guys? You guys are not talking. Can I count on you guys? Okay, very good. God bless you. God bless you. So I will expect the video, and please just go to the group and tell people how amazing this class is. And thank you very much. It's been an honor. We're going to have our final section tomorrow. Tomorrow is just you are not going to receive an attendance tomorrow, because today is the official end of this meeting. I'm going to upload this video. I'm going to upload it to the group. I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel and send it to you guys to see. And yeah, and also I will also address you guys on the group tomorrow. We can I'm just going to type a few things on the group. It's not really a class, you understand? So you're not going to receive an attendance. It's not really a class. I'm just going to type a few things and just encourage you guys and tell you where to go and all that kind of stuff. So God bless you guys. Yeah, we are still going to talk on the group, and just keep in touch on the group. I'm going to keep sending things that can help you. This is not the end of learning. Learning always continues. So God bless you. Bye bye. We're going to be having the 7th class. I will send the link to the 7th class to the group so that you guys can share with your friends and you can have them benefit from this class too. God bless you guys. Good night. Good night, everyone. Bye bye. Good night, everyone. God bless you.